Oh, this camera. Camera is shaking. What do we got here? Oh, my chair is kind of in the way. Move my chair. There we go. That far back. Okay. Now I gotta find the lesson I was doing. It's right. Oh. Here it is. It's about the cicadas. All right. Is this where we're at? Yeah, we did that. First going, then going bears. Okay, listen now. Time to listen. When it is their year to emerge, everything out here. Put your glasses on. They wait for the soil to warm up to be around 64 degrees Fahrenheit. I feel like maybe we read this one already. Yeah, we definitely read that one. Okay, next page. When the adult cicada emerge, they are white with a soft body texture. They darken and harden, H-A-R-D-E-N, overnight. Periodical cicadas are around 3/4 to 1.5 inches long. The Illinois cicadas tend to be dark brown and black on top with lighter reddish-brown patterns at the wing bases. Compound eyes are red with orange major veins on the membranous, MEMBRANOU. Yes, for spelling. Then that means membranous means thin, pliable, and somewhat transparent. Yes, Mark. I'm not talking about spelling gummy bears anymore. Listen up. Adult periodical cicadas feed on woody plants, trees, shrubs, and vines. However, most of their time is spent on the ground reproducing. Okay? First spelling word is, let me make sure these are on good. Adult. Okay? Can you back up one thing? Thank you. That's good. Adult. So, let me put this. All right. Adult. Okay, then over. Over. Okay, then in the middle. Adult. A-D, then you need to look. You're not, I don't think you're really looking for the letter. A-D, U, that's it. Then, look. Look. Adult. A-D-U-L. There you are. Now we're getting on it. And the last letter is T. Perfect. Let's try it on this board. Adult. Okay, then over, look, T. Then, okay, go down, U, and that's it. A-D-U, look. You can do it. Yes, first spelling and yours. A-D-U. Close. L, then, okay, now all the way over. Down. T. There you go, adult. The next word is darken. Darken. Okay. D, then over. Up. A, then D-A. R, now up. Over. You're almost there. Just go over. D-A-R. 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 Look. Slow down. Okay, there you are. I know it's close. D-A-R-K. Then, okay. D-A-R-K, then E. That's good. good looking. And last letter, look. N. There you go, darken. Let's try that on the letter board. The big letter bar. Darken. Okay? E, then. Move your eyes. A, then. R, then. Good job. Over. Right above that. K, then. Move your eyes all the way up. D-A-R-K, then up. E, end. Last letter. Right above that. Slow down. Last letter, darken. N, yes. Alright. Wings. W, then. Look. Over. On the I, then. And then. Hey, right in the middle. Look. No. In the middle. G, then. Yes. Good job. Wings. Let's try wings on the big board. Take your time. Look for it, then poke it. W, then. Go, that's it. W, then. Up. I, then. N, that's it. I-N. G, end. Very good. Yes. That was good one more. Okay, when the adult emerges, what color is their body? Then. Over. H now. I, then. Look for it. Look. T, end. Perfect. White. Let's try that word on this board. W, then. Up. No. Look. You're close. I know you were close. W, then. H, then. I, then. T, below that. T, and all the way up. Perfect. Yes. Okay. Wait. How often? No. How would you describe the texture of newly molted adult cicada? All right. We'll just do one word. What is their body like? S, then. S, then. O, then. Look. S-O, F, and. Look. T. Perfect. Soft. Let's do soft on this one. S, then. S, then. O, now. Move your eyes. Look. S-O. Up. Close. S-O. You were close over there. Up. Up. F, and. Now back over here. Move your eyes. T. Good job. Soft. What two things happen to the cicada body overnight? Okay, first one starts. Okay, you can do either one. Okay, over. H, then. A, then. R, then. Good job. Look. T, then. E, then. Down. And good job. They harden, and then what else do they do? Up, E, and over. Up. A, then. Good job. R, then. Oh, the other next word's on here. Letter. Look. A, then. Down. E, and. Last letter. Down. Yep, that's it. No, that's what you have the first one. That's it. Darken. Harden, and darken. Okay. Let's do one of those on this one. Let's do harden. Okay, harden. Look first and then poke. Harden.
No.
You can do it. Harden. That's it. Then up. A, then. Right above that. R, then. Now back up. Move your eyes. H-A-R. Okay, slow down. Yes, slow down. H-A-R. Skip the letter. H-A-R. Up, up. E, then. Up. E, end. That's it. Perfect. Harden. There we go. What does the membranous mean? That's a long one. All right, we'll just do this one on the big boards, I guess. Okay? Okay, the membranous. I don't know how to say that word. Okay, I'm trying my best. Look. T, then. Look here. Look. T, then. Oh, you're close. T, then. You can do it. Go slower. H, then. I, then. Then. Okay, good. Then. And then what's the next word they use? Okay, look, it's in the middle. T, N, now up. L, then. T, L. I, then. Up. A, then. Look, above that. E, then. Up. L, then. Good job. Down. Good job. Pliable. Thin, pliable, and what was the last description? Yes, then. Look. O, then. Now up. E, then. I mean M. That's right. S-O-M. E. You're doing great. Area, and. Look. Over. H, then. Now up. A, N. Look. T. Okay. Somewhat. Okay. The next word starts with on this one. Somewhat. Up. Somewhat. Okay. Next word is T, then. Over. R, then. Back up. A, then. N, and. Up. Over. S, then. In the middle. E, and. You're doing great. Up. A, then. Down. R, then. Down. E, then. N, and. Look. Awesome! Somewhat transparent. You did really good on that word. What body part of an adult cicada is membranous or whatever? Membranous, maybe? Yeah, then. I, then. N, end. G, then. Good job. Wings. That was perfect. Let's try it on the big board. Wings. Take your time. Go slow. Yeah, then. Look. I, then. N, end. G, end. Last letter. Again. Perfect. Oh, you're doing great now. You did wings before. Oh, that was one of the spelling words. Okay. No wonder. What colors do the Illinois cicada tend to be? Well, that's a really long answer. Let's just go with these last two. What color are the compound eyes of the cicada? This might be, there's two more. Let's finish this up. You're doing so great. Color of their eyes. R, then. E, and. R-E. Red. Good job. And red on here. Let's do red. R, then, all the way up to the top. R, then, you can do it. Red. Yes, D, and. Perfect. Good job. Okay. What do adult cicadas eat? Okay, it does mention this. Okay, what do adult cicadas eat? Start with this one. There's two words. Okay. Yeah, then the correction. gonna be a double.
uh,
O and
uh,
O then.
uh,
O, that's good. W-O-O. Up, up, up.
Yeah.
P and
uh,
Y. Woody.
P,
Yep. P, that's right.
P,
P, then go slow. L, then up, up, up. A, then N, N, T, N. Perfect. S. Perfect. Woody plants. Let's spell out woody plants on here. W, then O, and O, then up, up. The vet. Oh, easy does it. Go slow. W, O, O, all the way up, 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 up. Up. D, D, then, now down. Down, Y. Okay, good. Woody, next word. P, then, P, then. First is L, now. A, then. Look, 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 look. N, end, over. D, end. Yes, woody plants, very good. Okay, I think we're done with that part. Let's do some math and we'll be done for today, okay? Let me get our math board out so we can do pointing. And get our dice. Oh, multiplication. 83 times 73? That sounds like a hard one. 83 times 73. Definitely gonna need my calculator. Okay, this is kind of an easy one to remember at least. Okay, 83 times 73. So 83 times 73 equals over 6 n 0 n 5 n over 9. There you go. 6059 is the answer. That's how the only reason I could remember it. Okay. 46 divided by, not divided again. By 8. I think that is divisible by 8. No, it's not. By 6. No, it's not by the 6 either. Gosh darn. Let's just do 2 then. It's just easier for me, Mark. Okay. 46 divided by 2. Okay. So let's do 46. 46 divided by, where's divided by? Over. Divided by, you can get it, just go slower. 2 equals, go slow now, 23. Perfect. That was too easy for you. Okay. That was my kind of math. Okay, we got 13 minus, okay, well maybe we'll have to do 31. Okay, well, let's just do it. 33 minus 31. Another easy one. 33 minus, there you go, 31. 31 equals 2. Yep. Okay, that was easy. 65 divided by, we'll just do 5. 65 divided by 5. Okay, that's a good one. Okay. 65. Now divided. Over here, divided by 5 equals 1 and close to 3. 13. That's right. Okay, last one. I'm missing one. There it is. 73 minus 50. You can almost do the one, I think. 73 minus 50.